Finding a mistake after filing your tax return might be panic-inducing, but remember, it happens to millions of taxpayers every single year, and it can be fixed. Generally speaking, you have up to 3 years from the filing deadline to amend your tax return and still claim a refund. But how do you get started? First, you'll need to file Form 1040X and include any of the relevant documents needed to support the changes. Then, submit the 1040X to the IRS, along with any payment if necessary. If the IRS owes you a refund, you can expect to receive it in 8 to 12 weeks. If you think you need to file an amended return, the tax pros at H&R Block are happy to help and answer any questions you might have along the way. It's also a great opportunity to consider a free second look review. Only available at H&R Block, a second look review is your chance to have one of our expert tax pros review your last 3 tax returns. They'll check your returns for accuracy and make sure you haven't missed out on any available credits and deductions. If there's any potential money left on the table, they'll even assist you with filing an amended return. A second look review lets you take advantage of H&R Block's 70 years of tax expertise and ensure you're getting every dollar you deserve this tax season, and for the past 3 tax seasons too. For more information, visit hnrblock.com or check out our other videos.